Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make Pao Scallops for two. Here are the ingredients on the screen. First step, boil the zucchini for 10 to 15 minutes under medium heat. And make sure to spread the zucchini so it's cooked evenly. Add a teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of garlic, and mix for 2 minutes. Now add the Colossal 8-piece scallops. These are good for two, but if you want to add more, you can. Cook both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, mix them evenly for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you'll add the boiled zucchini, a cup of unsalted peanuts, and half a cup of dried chili. Mix them well and let it simmer for a minute or two. And don't forget to add half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix them very well. And lastly, add the cornstarch slurry, which is a teaspoon of cornstarch and half a cup of water. Mix again. And let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add a dash of pepper. So here's the final result. Hope you enjoy, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified for the next video. Hope you enjoy and have a good day.